Hi Joe and anybody else that's watching this video. Here is a 79 to 86 heater control panel as was ordered with the air conditioning and rear defrost. Just wanted to show this to my customer before it is shipped, get his approval, and anybody else interested in the types of products that I can supply and deliver. So this was pulled from an 85 GT hardtop. And what I went ahead and did is took all the knobs off and just cleaned up the sticks for the selectors and gave them a nice black paint. I put some bracing in the back here because what commonly happens is cracks in these pieces. Fortunately, this one is absolutely beautiful, so there wasn't any damage to it initially, but I do some bracing. You can see some JB weld there still drying, and I replaced some of these pins that usually snap off. There's like a plastic pin right there. This one down here was gone, so I take some more weld and put a bolt all the way through where the switch goes, which makes it very rigid, and this should last the life of the car. Went ahead and just put some liquid wrench or PB blaster on any of the moving parts that are metal and mechanical so that they move freely. And this started off as a very, very nice piece to begin with. So we'll do the old one finger change the temperature there. So there's really no flaws to the piece at all. It's fully functioning like it should. And it's actually a beautiful, beautiful faceplate. No fading, no scuffs or overspray or any kind of damage that I've seen whatsoever. So this was just to give my customer Joe a look at his order and anybody else interested in kind of how I prepare things. So appreciate your time, and look forward to getting this out to the customer waiting today, and anybody else interested, I'll have a link at the bottom so you can purchase one of your own. And thanks for your time.